Ready to get the smoothest skin of your life, without the stress. You've been doing it wrong, but that all changes today. I promise, your future self will thank you. In this video, I'll walk you through a complete, step-by-step Brazilian waxing tutorial. Stick around until the very end, because I'm going to share a pro secret that will change everything. Here's a fact: most people wax incorrectly. It's not about your pain tolerance. It's all about your technique. Most first-timers make the same mistakes over and over, but you won't. You don't need expensive tools, just the right steps. Skin prep changes everything, and post-care is what gives you that incredible glow. With consistency, you'll get amazing long-term results. Let me show you the exact path. It's all about method, not pain. When you support your skin correctly, discomfort goes way down. The wax temperature, the direction of your pull, your pace, the size of the sections you work with, it all matters. And your aftercare routine. That's what determines how smooth you'll be. Most beginners fear the wrong things, but today, we're going to fix that. Meet our first timer. She's a relatable woman in her 40s from Sydney who wants a boost in confidence and hygiene. She's a little nervous but hopeful, mostly afraid of irritation. We'll follow her as she learns the process, and you'll see her amazing transformation at the end. People all over the world, from London to Melbourne, choose Brazilian waxing for so many reasons. It's more hygienic, the results last longer, and it's perfect for warm climates or an active gym lifestyle. It's especially popular with women over 40 who want to feel confident and smooth, whether for a vacation or just for themselves. But safety always comes first. Your skin is the priority. Always do a patch test, use clean tools, and wash your hands or wear gloves. Never wax on irritated skin, keep your workspace clean, and always test the wax temperature. It's also important to know when not to wax at all. Let's quickly talk about wax types. There's hard wax, soft wax, and sugar wax. For beginners, hard wax is usually the best choice because it's gentler on the skin and doesn't require strips. Each type melts and is removed differently, so understanding the pros and cons helps you choose wisely. Before you even start, your pre-wax checklist is key. Take a gentle shower and exfoliate the day before. Don't apply any lotions or oils. Trim hair to about 1/4 inch if needed. Pat your skin completely dry, wear loose, comfy clothes, and make sure you're well hydrated. Now for your tools and setup. You'll need a wax warmer, spatulas, a pre-wax cleanser, and maybe some light powder. If you're using soft wax, you'll need strips. A good mirror and proper lighting are your best friends. Create a calm, relaxing environment for yourself. To understand why this works, you need to know about hair growth cycles. The anagen phase is when hair is actively growing, and that's the best time to wax. Shaving disrupts these cycles, but waxing regularly can actually make hair grow back finer over time. This is how you achieve long-lasting smoothness. Okay, let's map the area. First, identify the direction your hair grows in. You'll work in small, manageable sections. Be mindful of curves and areas that might be warmer or more sensitive. Keep the skin dry to prevent sweat from interfering, and remember to breathe slowly. The perfect wax temperature is crucial. It shouldn't be too hot or too cold. Aim for a thick, honey-like consistency. Stir it to get rid of any air bubbles and always test it on your wrist first. Remember that room temperature can affect your wax, so keep an eye on it. When you're ready to apply, spread the wax in the direction of hair growth. Apply a medium-thick layer and create a little tab at the end to pull from. Make sure the edges are smooth and avoid dragging the wax. Work section by section and watch for the texture to change as it sets. Now for the skin tension technique. This is the step that removes half the discomfort. Gently hold the skin taut with one hand. When you pull, you'll pull in the opposite direction of the hair growth. This support prevents bruising, reduces pain, and helps the wax grip only the hair. The pulling technique itself needs to be precise. Pull parallel to the skin, never upward. Use a quick, fluid motion. It helps to take a deep breath in and pull as you exhale. Right after you pull, apply gentle pressure to the area with your hand. This simple action calms the skin immediately. Start with the outer bikini line. This is the perfect safe zone to begin. It's the easiest area, less sensitive, and a great way to build confidence. You can use slightly larger sections here and get a feel for how the wax behaves. Next, we move to the inner edges. Go slowly here and use smaller sections. You'll need to stretch the skin a bit more to keep it taut. Hard wax is really your best friend in this area. Stay calm and focus on precision, not speed. For the side sections, check the hair growth direction carefully. Usually, you'll work from top to bottom. Avoid overlapping wax on areas you've already done. Use a manageable amount of wax. Create clean edges, pull parallel, and press down afterward to soothe the skin. For the back or lower sections, you might need to adjust your posture and use a mirror. Work in very small patches. Hard wax is highly recommended here. Keep the skin supported, use that quick pulling motion, and be patient with yourself. What about missed hairs? Don't re-wax the same spot more than once or twice. It's better to use sanitized tweezers to gently remove any stragglers. If the skin gets too red, stop. Avoid picking at your skin and just focus on keeping everything clean and calm. Immediate aftercare is what prevents 90% of bumps. Apply a cold compress or a soothing aloe vera gel. Wear loose clothing and avoid the gym, hot showers, or touching the area for at least 24 hours. To avoid ingrown hairs long-term, exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week, but don't overdo it. Moisturize lightly, wear breathable fabrics, use gentle scrubs, and stay hydrated. Consistency is your secret weapon. If you have sensitive skin, always use fragrance-free products and avoid anything with alcohol. You might need a slightly lower wax temperature. Move slowly, use calming gels, and always do a test strip first. If your skin is already irritated, wait until it's healed. Want some dramatic pain reduction tips? Warm the area with your hands before applying wax. Breathe deeply. Work in small sections with thin layers of wax, and keep your pulls quick and sharp. Maintaining tension is key. And remember, it gets less uncomfortable the more you do it. Let's correct some common beginner mistakes. Applying wax that's too hot or too cold, using layers that are too thick, pulling in the wrong direction, working in sections that are too large, and overworking the same spot are the biggest culprits. Take your time and don't rush the process. Building confidence is part of the journey. Organize your workspace, plan out your sections, and maintain a calm posture. Remember, slow hands, fast pulls. Practice makes progress, so celebrate your small wins. You're doing great. It's also important to know when to stop. If you notice any skin lifting, red patches, or a burning sensation, stop immediately. If you're feeling fatigued or overly sensitive, it's okay to finish another day. Always listen to your skin. And sometimes, it's best to see a professional. If you have persistent reactions, very sensitive skin, or find the process too overwhelming, an esthetician can help. It's also a good idea before an important event if you want guaranteed results. Let's talk lifestyle. In the UK, humidity can cause chafing, so stay dry. In Canada, winter dryness means you need to moisturize more. In Australia, heat can lead to sweat bumps, so aftercare is vital. And for those with active lifestyles in the US, proper post-wax care prevents gym-related irritation. For long-term maintenance, plan to wax every 4 to 6 weeks. Moisturize daily and exfoliate regularly. Avoid shaving between sessions, as it disrupts your progress. Track your regrowth patterns and stick to your routine. Let's troubleshoot some common issues. Redness is normal, but should subside. Bumps can be prevented with good aftercare. Dry patches need moisturizer. Wax residue can be removed with a post-wax oil. Ingrowns are fought with exfoliation. And if you have uneven regrowth, just stay consistent. Some frequently asked questions. Does it get easier? Yes, absolutely. Which wax should I use? Hard wax is great for beginners. What if it hurts? Breathe, use smaller sections, and press down afterward. How long should hair be? About the length of a grain of rice. How long does it last? Usually 3 to 4 weeks. When choosing products, look for gentle, fragrance-free formulas with calming ingredients. Always patch test, and use reliable, clean tools. Keep your product lineup simple. Your mindset matters. Don't rush. Stay calm. Build your confidence gradually and keep your expectations realistic. Celebrate your progress and learn to understand your skin. Now, let's check back in with our first-timer. She feels amazing. The pain was totally manageable because the technique made all the difference. Her aftercare routine prevented any bumps, and the smoothness has boosted her mood. She feels confident, youthful, and ready to keep up with her new routine. You can absolutely do this. I hope this tutorial has empowered you to take control. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. I'd love to hear your stories. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.